Another week of movement in the market, and Kim, it's starting to look good.
Yeah, prices are back up. Well, actually, they're above where they were earlier in the year. You've got wheat prices up around $5.80, 85 cents, up around 95 cents to $1 from the low we've had recently. You look at corn prices recently, they're up 30 cents. You can forward contract corn for around $3.50 a bushel. Soybean prices are up 60 cents. You can look at a forward contract for harvest delivery right at $8, and cotton's up, on the board around 88 cents. It just continues to stay high.
That's a lot of great news for Oklahoma producers. What's driving these rallies?
Well, it's the weather and lower production. You look at the forecast for Russian production, it continues to go down, and the quality of the crop lower. Right now, they're looking at, you had 3.1 billion last year. You're looking at 2.45 this year. Down 15 to 20%. But that's still an average crop if you look at a 5-year average. The European Union, their production's right now at 10% and going down, but it's still an average crop. Ukraine down 5%, still an average crop on the 5-year average. Now Australia's production is expected to be about the same as last year, but it's down 11% below average. So lower production around the world. You look at exports, Russian exports, they're predicting it 250 million bushels less than last year. But Ukraine, 60 million of that, Canada 90 million of that, US 80 million of that, all better. And so lower exports from Russia, higher prices around the world.
Over the past growing season, there was a lot of talk about protein. Are producers seeing a premium on the protein?
Well, the premium is still there, but I think it's on the overall quality. You look at the spread between the spring hard red wheat and the hard red winter wheat. That spread was up $1.50. It's down now to 40 cents. But however, our strong basis has held well throughout the year.
Will we continue to see prices rising?
That's going to depend on what happens with production around the world, especially in Australia, Argentina, Soviet Union. If those crops continue to go down, then our prices will go down. If things stay as they are now, I think we're near the top. Prices will go up a little bit, but not a whole lot.
You're famous for your third, a third, and a third. As producers are looking at that approach, should they be moving towards pulling the trigger on some wheat right now?
Well, if you look at prices, export prices, we're at the top of the market as we look at prices on originating wheat from Australia or Russia, Ukraine. So right now I think our prices are pretty much near the top, and if the world prices don't go up, I don't think ours can go up. So I would take advantage of, I wouldn't sell the whole crop,
right,
but I'd pull the trigger on some wheat with this $5.80 price.
Okay, thank you much. Kim Anderson, grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University.